What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about whenever you upload your videos, it is not reaching to your subscribers are not getting any notification, and that's how you end up not getting views. So even the subscriber has subscribed to your channel and also hit the notification bell icon, still they don't get the notification. So having the notification to their account, that means inside your email, inside your notification of your mobile phone, then you are going to probably get some views. But if not, you have to go and look for whenever you start uploading any videos. Let me just go and click on upload a video, for example, just to show you what is happening. So I am uploading a video. So this is the video I'm uploading right now, and if you go and click on advanced settings, inside the advanced settings you will get this option, publish to subscribers, feeds and notification subscriber. So you have to look for it has been checked or not checked. If it has not been checked, definitely your videos are not going to be notified to the subscribers. But if it is having a check mark when you upload it, or just go on your upload default and it is going to automatically check this one. So just go and do that. If that helps you out, make sure to comment it down below if that helps you out with that or not. Just go and add a comment section below. If you are facing any problem, I'll look forward for that and give you the solution for that. So I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazar and I'm signing out.